We'll be evaluating 2 times 1/2, divided by 2, and then divided by 2 again. Sounds easy, right? Let's see if we can break it down step by step. Step 1. Simplifying the first part. First, we have 2 multiplied by 1/2. We can think of the multiplication as putting things together, so basically we're putting 2 1's halves together. What do we get? That's right, we get 2 halves, which is the same as 1 whole. Step 2. Dividing by 2. Now we have 1 divided by 2. Again, dividing is like sharing things out equally. We have 1 whole and want to split it into 2 equal parts. Each part will be half of the whole, or 1/2. Step 3. Dividing by 2 again. And now we have 1/2 divided by 2 again. Imagine those 2 halves from before. Now we want to split each of those halves into 2 even smaller parts. Each smaller part will be a quarter of the original whole, or 1/4. Boom! We got our answer. So, after all that dividing and simplifying, we're left with 1/4. Not quite what we might have expected from the initial expression, but that's the beauty of math. There's often more than one way to approach a problem.